Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness on DREAME 43Q100 TV. First, press the gear button on your remote control to access the quick settings menu. Then go to Picture, and here in Picture menu, we can adjust the backlight, brightness, contrast, saturation, HUE, and sharpness by moving these sliders to the right to increase the effect level or to the left to decrease it. In advanced settings, we can adjust other settings related to our image quality, and the changes will be applied in real time as you change the value of each of these settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.